Hello, welcome to our channel.
How to make bukashara?
How to make amazing things. Yeah, my son just arrived from outside. So, so we will see. We already started. We already started. Okay, so as we explained, we have made this uncontrolled version of the drone. Now, because it is going like this and this, so it is getting overturned. So it is getting overturned and becoming uncontrolled version. So we have to find out a solution how we can go about it. Now, when it turns like this or this way, so we have to make one control where if it turns like this, it has to stop or start any DC motor. So we are thinking actually to put another DC motor below this, and so all the 4 DC motors will have another DC motor below them. So whenever it tilts like this, then actually, so if it tilts like this, the force from this side is more. So what we have to do, we have to reduce the speed. So only with the 4 DC motors, what we can do, if we can disconnect this, if it is rising like this, if you can disconnect this automatically, then it will stop and again it will come like this. And once again, if it comes to this level, it has to restart. So it has to make a balance somehow. So with 4 DC motors, it is a little impractical. So we will have to take 4 more DC motors, put below them. So I'm thinking if we put 2 more or 4 more DC motors below all these, each DC motor, 1 DC motor below each DC motor. So we are thinking. So I'm going to just try how to do this. So probably we can see at the center we can raise one column where when it tilts like a pendulum or something, we can attach. So once it tilts, but the pendulum is always straight, looking downwards towards the earth. So that connection, when it is tilting like this, so this pendulum has to touch something so that it connects the another DC motor below the existing DC motor. So we are thinking like that. Let's try to sketch something. So the same imagination what we have, we will try to make it. So I had made some sketches. So the similar way, let me adjust a little bit. Actually, I've taken I'm reusing some of this thing over here. So this is my son's writing pad. So suppose we have like this. I think it is better that we take not the top view, we'll take the side view. We'll take the side view. Yep. Suppose this is one DC motor, and here is another DC motor. Okay. And we have a center console, and here are the fans. Something, if we are able to erect one column over here, suppose like this, there is another connected here, and we are thinking plus negative. So suppose I'm going to take another DC motor here, and as I'm trying to do, yeah, one from the positive will take towards this, and one from the negative. I'm just writing for your convenience to just check. So suppose we have one pendulum over here, like a metal ball, suppose. Okay, what happens when if it is tilting like this? So here is one and here is one. Suppose it is tilting like this. If it is tilting like this, what will happen? So for the ease of thinking, we are making like this. So the pendulum over here will connect this and this. Okay, positive. So this is a straight vertical line. Okay, so this metal, as I'm saying, like this one will connect this on two ends, anode and cathode. So what will happen? So it connects the circuit. So when it connects the circuit, so this has to start in the reverse direction. So if it starts in the reverse direction, so this wiring can be adjusted here only. For the sake of understanding, I have written like this. So so let's take this out. Maybe this is kind of not good. So when this is connecting, it will switch on in the reverse direction, so that it will trying to tilt it backwards like this. So suppose this is turning like this. If the force is more, this is turning like this. So it will start turning like this. So that in this way it will tilt the drone in the opposite direction in this area. So if the like this, I'm going to show you that. If it is rising, then if it turns the bottom one in the turns in the reverse direction, so it will again try to get back to the original position. So that is the idea. So this is the idea we are just like to try. I think there can be, we can think of different methods how to do this, either with a pendulum or some connecting liquid in between. I'm also thinking like one chamber where there are two probes, positive, negative, positive, negative. Maybe I'm thinking in this picture, this is for this and this connection is for this. So when it turns like this towards left side, then the liquid flows towards this direction. So if it flows this direction, then the liquid over here, if it connects these ends, then this will act, and if that is connected to the one which is at this side, so this side, yeah, so it is easily understood that this is the same, the opposite direction. If it connects here, so actually we have seen a different method over here. I mean, if it connects here, it has to connect to this in a reverse direction. If it connects here, then it has to activate the one which is another one here. Okay, so this is the idea we are thinking. So let us do it in probably in another day or two. We'll try to do how to fix it. So I will have to order some 4 more DC motors for this. 4 more DC motors. So below this one and below all 4. So 4 more. We'll have to attach it here, 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 and here. So this control can be done. Yeah, we have bought some more 4 more DC motors, but these are for with pulley. We have gears over here. I think we don't have a propellers, so we have ordered more DC motors with propellers. Okay. Yeah. If you have any idea, if you think of any idea, please comment in the comment box below, and we will take it up on how to do it and all. We will see. Okay, this is yeah. Okay, comment box. Yeah, he's saying that we have to activate it. So yeah, please comment it, whatever idea you get, so that we will adopt to this drone. Yeah, there might be several controls. So yeah, if you study the theory of drones, probably we can do much more easily. But we are not studying. We are just going by trial and error method, and we can probably try to do this first. And while doing this, we may get into different ideas. So that is what we'll do in the next video. Thank you. Share this video so that people comment here and try to explore more methods how to do it and other stuff. And also like, subscribe, and press the bell button so that you get these notifications of all the videos, and we together can do some little R&Ds, and this kind of activities will improve our thinking capabilities, and the same applications can be adapted to different technologies around the world, and it may improve our kids. Even kids are watching this. My son is just beside me, so probably he will get some idea from this, and while growing up he might get good ideas to create new things and stuff. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next video.